Looking for the best empty manager for Android, find out which one regions supreme for all your file management needed. Empty Manager is a powerful Android application that serves as a comprehensive file management and app editing tool. It allows users to navigate, manage, and organize files on their devices efficiently. With its advanced feature, Empty Manager enables users to edit APK files, modify resources, and change application permission, making it popular among developers and advanced users looking to customize apps. The application supports various file formats and provides functionalities like unpacking and repacking, APK editing, text files, and many database. Its user-friendly interface simplifies complex tasks while features such as built-in search and batch permission enhance productivity. So install this application, go to Google Play Store and search Empty Manager and install it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.